You think you're eating healthy? Think again. Your favorite veggie meals might be overcooked and not as nutritious as they should be for you. But fear not. Today we're exposing the 10 sneaky cooking mistakes that steal the health benefits from your favorite greens. Let's unlock their full potential and turn these wimpy veggies into powerhouses. 1. Boiling them to mush. Boiling leaches out vitamins such as vitamin C, the immune system's champion. Opt for steaming or stir-frying to keep them vibrant and full of life. Bonus tip, steaming also helps preserve their vibrant color, making them even more appealing. 2. Soaking them. Soaking for too long does the same damage as boiling. Unless it's for a flavorful broth you plan to use in soups or stews, keep those veggies dry as a bone. 3. Tossing the vitamin-rich broth. That's liquid gold. Use it in soups, sauces, or even rice to boost the nutritional punch of your entire meal. Imagine infusing your rice with the essence of broccoli and carrots. 4. Drowning them in water. You're basically diluting their goodness. Use just enough to prevent burning, and you'll retain more vitamins and minerals. Think of it like concentrating all their superpowers into a smaller, more potent package. 5. Peeling away the best part. The skin is often packed with the most fibers, antioxidants, and even vitamins. Just give them a good wash and leave the skin on whenever possible. For example, potato skin is loaded with potassium, a mineral essential for healthy blood pressure. 6. Drowning them in oil. We get it, oil helps things taste good. But too much adds unnecessary calories and hides the natural sweetness and earthiness of your veggies. Use healthy fats like olive oil sparingly, or cook with minimal oil using a non-stick pan. You can also boost flavor with herbs, spices, and even a squeeze of lemon juice. 7. Deep frying them into oblivion. Deep frying is basically a villain in disguise. It destroys nutrients and creates unhealthy trans fats. Stick to healthier options like baking, roasting, or air frying. Air frying can give you that crispy texture you crave without all the added fat. 8. Microwaving them into mush. Microwaving can be a lifesaver, but use the right settings. Too much power or time can be just as bad as overcooking. Invest in a microwave steamer to get perfectly cooked veggies every time. 9. Forgetting the spice revolution. Salt is okay, but it gets boring fast. Explore the world of spices and herbs. Experiment with cumin, paprika, garlic powder, or even a squeeze of lemon to unlock a flavor explosion. Think of it like giving your veggies a flavor makeover. 10. Sticking to the same old routine. Different veggies have different superpowers. Experiment with steaming, roasting, stir-frying, and even grilling to find the perfect match for each veggie and maximize their health benefits. For example, broccoli loves to be roasted, bringing out its natural sweetness, while asparagus shines when grilled with a touch of olive oil and lemon. So there you have it. Now you're equipped to turn those wimpy veggies into veggie warriors. Remember, even with slight loss during cooking, vegetables are essential for a healthy diet. So get creative, have fun, and enjoy the delicious journey to a healthier you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more healthy cooking tips and veggie hacks. And let us know in the comments what are your favorite ways to cook your veggies.